Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which clips need proxies and why. Heavy codec, slow editing. Select all target clips in the browser, then right-click and choose Transcode Media, create proxy media. Pick a proxy codec, ProRes proxy, or a lower resolution option like 1/4 or 1/2 to balance quality and speed. Once done, set the destination so proxies store on fast external media if possible. This reduces playback strain and makes trimming, skimming, and scrubbing responsive immediately. Now make sure Final Cut Pro is configured to use those proxies. In Preferences Playback, favor better performance to prioritize proxies during editing. Then use the View menu, Proxy, and Toggle Proxies, or press Shift-P, to switch between proxy and original media quickly. If proxies aren't active for some clips, relink them from File Relink Files or consolidate via File Move Media. These steps let you edit smoothly while preserving full resolution masters for final output and color work. Finish by switching back to original media for color, effects, and final export. Proxies are for editing only. Go to View Proxy and disable proxies, then export using File Share, confirming the source media uses originals. If you run into problems, missing proxies, pixelation, or relink failures, first check the proxy storage path and reconnect drives. If that fails, recreate proxies for affected clips. This ensures final renders use full quality masters, while proxies remain a temporary performance aid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.